Corby, a town in Northamptonshire, might not be the first name that springs to mind when thinking of English travel destinations, but it's a place rich in history, diversity and character. Often referred to as Little Scotland due to its significant Scottish population, Corby is a town with a unique cultural blend, vibrant community spirit, and a fascinating industrial legacy. Historically, Corby's identity is deeply intertwined with the steel industry. The town underwent a dramatic transformation in the 1930s when Scottish steelworkers were recruited en masse to work at the newly established steelworks. This influx of workers gave Corby its distinctive Scottish flavour, which remains evident today in the local accent, community events, and even some street names. The Corby Heritage Centre, located in the charming old village, offers a window into this transformative period. The exhibits there detail the town's evolution from a quiet rural village into a bustling industrial hub, showcasing photographs, artifacts, and personal stories that bring the town's history to life. Despite the closure of the steelworks in the 1980s, Corby has shown remarkable resilience, reinventing itself while preserving its unique character. The town centre, with its modern shopping precincts and amenities, is a testament to its ongoing regeneration. Willow Place and Corby Town Shopping Centre offer a variety of shops, cafes, and eateries, blending contemporary retail with the town's friendly, communal vibe. One of Corby's most striking features is its cultural diversity. The Corby Cube, a modern architectural marvel, epitomizes this blend of old and new. This multi-use building houses the local council offices, a library, a theatre, and a vibrant arts space. The Cube is a cultural heartbeat of Corby, hosting a variety of performances, workshops and events that reflect the town's dynamic spirit. Whether it's a local theatre production, a touring musical act, or a community art exhibit, there's always something happening at the Cube to engage and entertain. Nature lovers will find plenty to appreciate in and around Corby. The town is surrounded by a beautiful countryside, offering ample opportunities for outdoor activities. East Carlton Country Park, just a short drive from the town centre, is a lovely spot for a day out. The park features picturesque woodlands, walking trails and picnic areas, along with a heritage centre that delves into Corby's steelworking past. It's a great place for families, with a play area for children and a charming cafe for a leisurely lunch. Another gem is the Weldon Woodland Park, which offers a tranquil retreat with its sprawling green spaces and well-maintained pathways. It's an ideal location for walking, jogging, or simply unwinding in nature. The park also plays host to various community events throughout the year, fostering a sense of togetherness and local pride. For those interested in history and architecture, Kirby Hall, located just a few miles from Corby, is a must-visit. This stunning Elizabethan mansion, once owned by Sir Christopher Hatton, a favourite of Queen Elizabeth I, is now an English heritage site. The hall's grand, partially restored state, along with its beautifully landscaped gardens, offers a fascinating glimpse into the opulent lifestyles of England's past aristocracy. Corby's Scottish roots are celebrated with gusto at events such as the annual Highland Gathering. This lively festival, featuring traditional Scottish games, music, dance and food, is a highlight of the town's social calendar. It's a vibrant display of Corby's unique cultural heritage, and a fantastic way for residents and visitors alike to engage with the town's Scottish connections. The town's sporting facilities are another point of pride. The Corby East Midlands International Pool is a state-of-the-art swimming complex that caters to both competitive swimmers and casual visitors. For football enthusiasts, Steel Park, home to Corby Town FC, offers the excitement of non-league football in a friendly, community-oriented atmosphere. Corby's ongoing redevelopment efforts are perhaps best exemplified by the Priors Hall Park development. This ambitious project aims to create a sustainable urban village, blending residential, commercial, and recreational spaces. It's a forward-looking initiative that reflects Corby's commitment to growth and innovation while maintaining its unique identity. Corby is a town that defies easy categorization. It's a place where industrial heritage and cultural diversity intersect, where community spirit thrives amidst ongoing regeneration. Whether you're exploring its historical landmarks, enjoying its cultural offerings, or simply soaking in its friendly atmosphere, Corby offers an experience that is both distinctive and memorable. It's a town that celebrates its past while looking confidently towards the future, making it a fascinating destination for every visitor.